Hey guys, it's Shine. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to show you guys how to do a super natural but like glowy glam for either those of you who don't like a lot of makeup or just hang out with the family for the holidays or New Year's or anything where like you want to look glowy and kind of glam but not too crazy either. If you're just hanging out with the family on a casual day, you don't normally need like a full glitter cut crease. So this is for that, or just like every day as well. But before we get into that, if you aren't already, click that subscribe button and join the party. I do upload 3 to 5 times a week and you're already here anyway, so you might as well. And if you'd like, click that notification bell to keep updated on all the newness. Anyways, guys, let's get into this. The first thing I am going to do is prime with my Tatcha Silk Canvas. I go in pretty heavy with this because I have a lot of texture on my skin. I have a lot of acne scarring, and this just really helps to make sure I have a clean canvas. It also has, though it has this tint to it, it does not leave a white cast on the skin. So really working this in to the skin. And there we go. And of course, my brows are already done. I want to at least do some things so that this was a pretty short video. So I'm going to go in with a Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in Buff Bisque. This is my favorite foundation, and I will not go a day without it at this point. I love it so much. And then I have this Morphe sponge, and I am just going to grab a random contour palette so I can use this as a mirror. And then we're just going to press this into the skin and buff everything out. Go over my eyelids with it as well, just to make sure we're all buffed in here. I love this foundation. Oh my god. If you guys haven't used it yet, I don't know why. If they have your shade, definitely try it. And one thing I love is that they have expanded their shade range. I haven't swatched the new shades, but I know they came out with a couple deeper shades, another medium shade, and I love that they are always trying to come out with more things, and they come out with a lot of highlighting shades that are suitable for deeper skin tones, and I just appreciate a brand that is trying to be inclusive. Alrighty. And then I'm just going to keep buffing this over my eyelids because I'm not going to really do any shadow today. This is a simple look. It's really focused around just the glowiness of the skin. So I'm just going to make sure that we are blended. Yep. Perfect. Now for concealer, I am going to take my light Maybelline Age Rewind and just do a little bit right there, down the nose, there, and there. Same sponge, buff that in real fast. This stuff blends so well. I love it so much. This pairing, this with the Photo Focus foundation is like my dream combo. And it's drugstore, so it's the best. It balances out the fact that my primer is $60, and you gotta save money somewhere, and then splurge on what you love. Again, going over my eyelids, making sure that those are good and covered, because they tend to have a pretty intense blue tint to them, so I like to really make sure that that is covered up. And then I'm going to set it with my Laura Mercier powder, the best powder. And I used to not like it, and I don't know why, because now it's all that I use. So it's weird how things can change over time, and you love what you didn't used to like, and then products that you once loved you don't love anymore. It's so weird. And then for me, when instead of baking, I just like to press the powder in. I feel like that works a lot better for me, because I know sometimes with baking you can get kind of cakey, and this I feel like alleviates that. I'm really just pressing this into the skin to make sure that I stay nice and matte, because I do not like to be oily. Perfect. And then for contour, I am taking my Profusion contour palette, and this is an angled Sephora brush, and just going right at the cheekbone and pulling backwards so that we get that nice little contour. And then also taking it underneath the jaw and pulling right here back towards the ear as well. And then I like to go right here and then on the sides of the forehead. Now that's for the contouring piece. And then to bronze, I am going to go in with my Becca and Panama Sun. I am more on the self-tanned side right now, so I definitely want to go in a little bit heavier with the bronzer so that it matches. I always hit the chin. And then I am going to take my Morphe MO brush, and this brush, I think you can only get it with the Brittany Bear nose contour kit, but any like little brush like this is what I like to go in with. I just hit the sides of my nose right here and then underneath, because my nose has like a natural like kind of bend to it, so if I go in too heavy, I feel like it really emphasizes that bend, and I don't want that to happen. All right, so now that I have that, I'm gonna hit the cheeks with my Pretty Vulgar blush in the shade 18. Just like that. And then I am going to re-grab the contour brush and just make sure that those blend together really nicely. Just like that. And then the fun part starts, the glow. So I am going to take, where is it? This is my ColourPop Fluff brush. And I'm going to take my NYX Powdered Sugar Highlight and hit the high points of my face. Nose. Down the bridge of the nose. Cupid's bow. Shoulders. Collarbones. Anywhere that we want to have blinging. And then I'm also going to top it with my Dose of Colors pigment in Pretty Dust. Watch how pretty this is. Okay, so you might have thought we were blinding before, but there we go. Especially like for the holidays, like if I'm not going to do much eye makeup, like my glow, like you need to see this shit from the moon. So tap, tap, tap. And it's just like bam, and then I just take my finger underneath just to make sure that this is blended and not a harsh line, and then just patting my eyes just to make sure that there is no like creasing or anything like that. I'm gonna curl my lashes. Again, I'm going in with no eye makeup, just mascara. And I like to blink when I do my mascara so that it lifts it up. This is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise, which is the best mascara ever. My top lashes have some glue left in them, even though I showered, so they might look a little bit spiky today, but whatever. And then for lips, I am going to just go in with my Wet n Wild Pout and Kiss Gel Lip Balm. This is the best stuff ever. And then I'm going to spray my face with my Urban Decay De-Slick. Just make sure I got all of it. And now that I have sprayed my face, the last little bit that I am going to do is take this BH Cosmetics number 11 brush, and I'm just going to hit right underneath the brow, inner corner, and right underneath the brow. And then just smear this out a little bit, just so that we still have a little bit of brightness right there. And that is it. If you guys want to add in a lip color, of course you can. I would suggest like a neutral, what am I trying to say? A neutral nude lip, just to go with the whole vibe, because everything is about just the intense glow. But I am just gonna go on with my lip balm and have it be done. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this like glowy, in my opinion, like fun, simple holiday glam tutorial. I know that was a lot, but like this is what I would do, even to like add on a winged liner and some lashes, and you can be like glam, because the highlight is so intense. But that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you next time. Bye.